Christmas gift. This is a Secret Santa gift for someone in my family. This is some kind of decoration I'm gonna use for the wrapping. This is some artichoke for my mother-in-law that she usually takes. This is also part of the Secret Santa gift. We have this and we have this. This is for my mother-in-law, but only this one. This one, I don't know who this one is for. This one is for my dad-in-law. And this is felt. I have different colors too, white and red, because I'm gonna do some Christmas ornaments. And I bought this candle, lavender chamomile, for my grandma. It smells really nice and she likes the smell of lavender. And for the Christmas felt ornament, I also bought some stuffing. And yeah, here we have the needles that we need to sew the ornaments. And then here we have a lot of different pin beads that I'm gonna need for the felt ornaments. I bought them off of someone from eBay, and they came in these packages. I bought them for €5, which is a great deal. And I can't wait to make the Christmas ornaments. And I hope it's gonna go well because it's the first time I'll be doing this. I have not yet opened a single door or whatever you call it from my advent calendar, so I'm gonna do this right now with you together. So we gotta open up the number one. Number one is right here. Yes, man. What have we got? Ooh. Cute. Huh? Huh? Oh, I think I accidentally saw number 20. So we're gonna open that one too. Oh, wow, so cute. And then, oh wow. Huh. Now how am I gonna do this with just one hand? Ooh, 4. packaging is really cute. Ooh, number one. So cute. And this must be number 3.
Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung rechts.
Double chocolate.
Ja, das hier, das ist mit das Wichtigste.